Look what came in the mail. My new massager.
New massager right there?
And it get warm too.
Where'd you just get that from? Why you put a cheeseburger out your pocket?
Just in case I get hungry.
So y'all, just getting out of church, man, and as y'all can see, it's so freaking dark over here. Oh, you looking good, baby. How you feeling?
I'm tired and my feet swollen. But we was gonna run up to the beauty supply store, but then I called him. Oh! I should have told him he got my tape measure. Man, could you start giving me the V8 ginger green drink?
What is that gonna do?
It's just, it'll help.
Been here all day. Bae! Bae! Promise me you ain't gonna have me sit here all day.
Yeah,
You gonna have me sitting here all day? Bae, come on, please.
Okay.
I ain't gonna play. Yo, anytime Mama V, if I ask her not to stay somewhere for a long time and she does this little thing here, that means she gonna be in there all day. Oh God. What? Help me, Lord. Me. Yes, you did.
I had to get my braided hair because we've taken these things out.
They're using it forever.
Oh,
God
man.
dang it. You promised me, man. Ain't no, come on.
Speed on it. I got a doo-doo.
You got a who?
I got a doo-doo.
Why would you say that on national camera?
Everybody do it.
That's not true. Everybody don't do.
Everybody do doo-doo.
Did you get a bundle?
No, I got some braided hair. I'm about to do my own braids.
Yo, so we just made it home, y'all, and I'm glad I'm home because I thought they was gonna never get out that beauty supply store. But listen, Mama V had ordered. Tell them what you ordered, babe.
The neck and shoulder massager.
Yay.
I hope this will be a game changer. So this is my point of view of this. I ordered this off a TikTok shop. So this is my review. I think you put this on your shoulder. Ooh, oh. And then
What the?
I don't know. Feel like I'm in the parachute or something. So
What the skydiving is going on here?
So these are I guess these the buttons over here. So I'm gonna press this on button.
What?
Oh my goodness! Wait a minute. Oh. And we're gonna turn the heat on.
Well, she ain't gonna need my hands no more.
And so we're gonna put this on like this. I guess this is what put the pressure on. Feel like back in the day.
How do that feel?
I ain't used to it. Ooh, wait a minute.
How that feel? It's like you in pain.
Yeah, I don't know.
What the heck? You don't look too good. That don't look like no massage. You like you getting tortured. What the heck?
Wait. Do I got this all right?
I don't know. You look like you got no dang on parachute. Like you about to go skydiving. Is it dying?
Stop. Like, hold up. What you say? It stopped. It was like, I know you just didn't diss me though.
You ain't gonna need me no more now. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Boy, if you don't get...
So y'all, man, we about to get ready and make a couple of errands, man. But let me just tell y'all, man, make sure y'all go over there to my TikTok channel and follow me. Y'all missing out. It's called Blove and Mama V Mafia. And y'all will see me and BJ and the family doing little skits and stuff like this.
My bad. I seen this bad girl at aisle 5, and I was trying to tell you that she's coming home with us. Wait, you said what? She's coming home with us. What you mean she's coming home with us? I said, don't start no please, Dad. She told me, please.
Yo, BJ be saying anything.
You should see her.
But y'all just go ahead and check it out, man. Y'all will see what we on, man. Go over there and show some love.
Y'all be careful when y'all stay right there.
What happened?
She almost fell again.
Oh, shoot.
It's slippery out here.
What you was at McDonald's? Are you using mobile today?
No. Can I get, Milani?
You sure it's a
Thank you, Mommy.
You're
welcome.
a double cheeseburger or a Happy Meal? Look at this. Why is my burger so flat?
Oh, yeah.
Can you believe they got a freaking that thingy, whatever that is. If they ever get out the car,
Is y'all
Jesus
coming?
Christ.
Old people, let's go.
They who?
Nasty big bums.
They bombs.
Yep.
Man, you gonna order something? You gonna order something, Lonnie?
No.
I dare you to order something.
No, it's cold.
What you mean?
Look.
Where'd you just get that from?
My pocket.
Why would you? Why you put a cheeseburger out your pocket?
Just in case I get hungry.
Walk up all in water, man. I got these flops on, y'all. Oh man, it's been a minute since we came out to the mall. You feel me? So I need to sit down for a minute. These old legs don't work like they used to. I was gonna get me a Nike outfit, but I'm like, man, I know Nike is expensive, but $75 for just a jacket and then 80 something for the pants. They doing too much. Y'all ain't see what y'all wanted?
I ain't want
It
nothing
was
out of
just
there.
looking. I was just following them.
Girl, you still eating on that same? You still got that dang on hamburger? Did you just get that from Milani?
No, it was in my pocket.
Ew. Why are you walking around with a hamburger?
I don't know. I didn't want to leave it in the car.
What the heck? What that cheeseburger you had in your pocket? Girl, when is you gonna eat it?
I did. I was biting it.
So y'all, I just grabbed me some Puma pants and got me a little. Oh shoot! I have to drop my drip already. Got the Puma shirt right here. I guess to go with this right here. Comment down below if y'all like these two together. BJ taught me into getting this. And I just got some plain Puma pants right here. You can just, y'all can find any shirt to go with that. So yeah, we went shopping, y'all.
We went shopping.
What's y'all shopping dance? Show y'all shopping dance. What the heck?
I guess we're gonna walk around.
Oh, that's all she want to do is walk.
Y'all wanna go down the escalator? Make sure y'all shoelaces is
I ain't
tied.
gonna lie, man. I ain't got the proper shoes to go down the escalator.
I mean, you got the. Ew.
Yes, I did.
Make
Look
sure.
at that hamburger. Look at that hamburger.
I did want another piercing. Y'all can walk without me. Just let me know where y'all at.
I'm gonna stay with you.
Cause she hurt. I want another piercing.
Babe, listen. Where you gonna put the piercing at? Where you want another piercing for?
Cause I don't wear no other jewelry. I want some real jewelry. I think he had
Oh, my bad.
So what you gonna do?
I want my piercing, and I seen it.
You gonna talk to the girl.
Beautiful ears.
She taking it like a G too. What you get?
These earrings.
That's what you about to get? Yeah. Okay. What is that? Oh,
It's a heart.
you didn't put that on your nose, did you?
No, it's one of my ears. If it's not close, I hope it's not.
And then like, All right, 20% off anything extra inside. 10 on up.
Alright.
Babe,
Yeah.
let's see the new piercings. Your ear is irritated already.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see the other side. Okay. You like them?
Yeah.
So you ain't gonna get no more after this, is you?
No.
I thought you was gonna do the nose.
Yeah, I might have to go to a tattoo place to get that.
Okay. Well, oh, you got the. Oh, Lonnie got the hearts.
She got the hearts like her mama.
You got a heart?
Yeah, your
see,
uncle bought
Lonnie.
me hearts.
So y'all look.
Beep, beep. Oh, I wish I had.
We got our stuff, man, and I'm just ready. I don't know if we should even go to Target still, man, because I'm so tired. Now I'm trying to go on this little Escalade thing, y'all. Who got? I hate getting on this thing. I ain't gonna hold you up. Wait, BJ. What you said you want to go where?
Sports and goods.
That ain't what you said. You said you want to go where?
Oh my God, that one cold.
Oh, yeah, we should, so we can get that dummy.
What dummy?
The dummy and sports and
You
goods.
want the punching thing? Lonnie? You still want that? Yeah. Okay, why you getting that bag right there? Go ahead, show me what you got. Just hit us off. Ooh. Okay. Stop.
Can I try?
No, because you're going to get us put out. Yes, you will. Hit it one time. Okay, that's it. I'm glad y'all happy. Y'all got what y'all want. What you gonna rock with there though?
I forgot what I got.
Show them your shoes. You don't want to show them?
I'm gonna show them when we get to the house.
Okay. That's what you about to get, babe?
It's activated by sound.
You got dark. Quick as heck.
Oh yeah, it was already getting there. Smell like fish.
Said smell like what?
Smell like fish.
So what y'all want to do now?
Go to Meijer. Oh, Walmart.
Walmart.
I'm at Target.
What you trying to do, babe?
I mean,
You see, you told you.
I'm down to go to Target.
You can see how she dropped those.
Target, everybody?
Target, anybody?
Look at that pizza place, y'all. Yes, sir. Babe, I just want to tell you that I'm proud of you.
Wait,
and
Brian,
you're very
let me get my
beautiful.
stuff.
And I love you.
No, Brian,
And,
don't go in the bed.
I'm just praying for another 19 years with you.
Oh, same.
Okay, let's go. It's cold. It's cold, man. It's cold. So y'all, we're here at Target, man. As y'all can see, don't know why, but
I broke my ears.
come on, baby, they letting us by.
Oh, she turning for some reason.
I'm talking about the people on that side. I don't know why we here, man. We here because I'm going shopping. Because I'm going shopping for my new son. All right, now, BJ, stop playing. Don't play like that. I ain't trying to be no daggone granddaddy.
Can you get in the buggy?
But y'all, listen. I need to get some of this. I need some face cream, man. Because I don't know if y'all can see these little pores like open right here. I need something that's good for open pores. So if I can find something, you know what I'm saying, that can close these pores up. Some people say cold water, but I don't know. Cold water don't work. It just seemed like it opened up the pores even more. And Mama V walking past me looking creepy. I don't know why she's doing that. But yeah. All right, let's see if we can find some of this cream.
7 hours later.
All right, y'all, man. I know I'm black as a mug right now. Oh my God! But I'm finna call it a night, man. And I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. I don't know what to call it. What, a shopping haul or something like that? I don't know.
Yes.
Y'all,
They happy and I'm broke. Hey.
well, they happy that you broke?
They happy and broke.
That's a good combination.
All right, y'all, man. I'll see y'all later, man. But most of all, man, y'all be breezy, man. I'm out. Peace.